Okay, so I'm going to be using a website called Slideshare to upload my PowerPoint to. So if you just open up a web browser and type in the word Slideshare, and then it will be the first link available to you. Once you log in or click on that web link, it will take you to this homepage, and you'll need to sign in using your Gmail account that you've already got connected to your Blogger account. So if you click on sign in and then click on sign up, you'll then have access to log in via your Google account. It should automatically link this for you, especially if you're already logged in via Blogger. Okay, so now once you've logged in, and you'll know that you're logged in because you'll have a little icon here, if you click the upload button and then browse the document that you want, and you can either drag and drop it from your desktop or you can just locate it. You'll need to verify. Sometimes you'll have a little quiz that you have to complete to verify that you're human. Okay, so it's going to upload in the left-hand corner there, and as you can see, the title requires a minimum of 40 characters. So you can put something in there like media pitch for my final film magazine, and then if it's horror genre, just to make some more characters, then you can do that. Okay. Copy your title and paste it into your description box, quite easy. And then category, what you want to do is click education. Once you've done that, your PowerPoint should have uploaded successfully. You don't need to edit any of the other boxes. Please keep the privacy to public and then click on the publish box. Once it's published, the page automatically scrolls to the bottom of the web page. So what you need to do is just scroll up, and then you want to get this embed code here. So if you click on embed, it should copy it to your clipboard as it says there. And then quite simply, you head back over to Blogger. Once you're in Blogger, you've got to make sure, as you're going to be pasting HTML code, that you change the compose view to HTML view, and then you just paste it in. Then make sure you go back to compose view, and it should be a grey box. Be sure to give this a subheading, so if you want to call it final PowerPoint or your initial PowerPoint, that's absolutely fine. And then you can publish it. Remember that in the edit view, you cannot scroll through the PowerPoint that you've just embedded. Instead, if you want to check that it has worked, if you go back, just click view blog, click on the blog post, and there it is. Okay, and you can flick through, and that's done.